In this video, I will show you how to find Steam game files. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on my desktop. As you can see, I've currently got the Steam app opened. Now there's currently two ways that you can go ahead and find your Steam game files. The first way to do this is by using your File Explorer. So from your desktop, if you actually come down to your toolbar at the bottom, in the search box, you want to go ahead and type File Explorer and then click onto File Explorer, which should come up underneath Best Match. Now what it's going to do is open up a window like this. This is your actual File Explorer, and from here to locate your game files, you're going to want to go into your local C drive. So to get there, what you want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and come and click onto List PC. Then what you can do is double click onto your C drive, and what you want to do is double click onto Program Files x86. On the next window, what you want to do is scroll down until you see the Steam folder. If you can't see this here, it could just be in the normal Program Files, but generally it's in Program Files x86, and then double click onto the Steam folder. Then what you want to do is double click onto the Steam Apps folder, so you can see that's just here. And once you're in the Steam Apps folder, what you want to do is look for the Common folder, double click onto the Common folder, and it's going to bring up all the games that you've installed with Steam. So you can find all your game files by double clicking onto the game that you want to go into. So for example, let's take Counter-Strike. If we double click onto this, you're going to find all your game files just by double clicking onto the game folder, and you can see we've got all our game files here. So that's one way to do this. Now, if you're having trouble locating your game files using the File Explorer, what you can do alternatively is open up a Steam app, and if you actually come into your games library by clicking onto library at the top, then what you want to do is locate the game that you want to find your game files for from your games library on the left hand side. So again, let's take Counter-Strike. Then if you right click onto the game itself, come down and click onto properties, and on this window that comes up, you want to come to this menu on the left hand side, click onto installed files, and at the top you're going to see a browse button just up here. So if you give this a click, this is going to take you directly into the game files. So in our example, that's going to be for Counter-Strike, and as you can see at the top here, it's taking us directly into the game files for Counter-Strike. So we can double click to go into the game folder, and then we can find all our game files in here just like so. So that is how to find Steam game files. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.